As the crypto market evolves, not all altcoins are worth your investment. While XRP, ADA, ICP, and LTC may seem promising, smarter opportunities exist. In 2025, these 10 altcoins are set to outperform the competition, offering higher returns, better utility, and groundbreaking technology. Let's jump right in with our first project, called Pendle Finance. Pendle is an innovative project that brings a unique and fresh perspective to the practice of yield optimization within the DeFi space. At its core, the protocol is intricately designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yields of DeFi assets. This ingenious approach paves the way for a novel market for yield exposure, a concept that was previously beyond reach in the DeFi landscape. This market offers users unprecedented access to yield that they would otherwise have been unable to tap into. In turn, this fosters the creation of new, lucrative investment opportunities for investors who are constantly on the hunt for yield. Central to Pendle's functionality is the use of yield tokens. These tokens serve as a representation of a future stream of yield emanating from a specific DeFi asset. Examples of these assets range from a liquidity pool token to a lending token. The unique feature of these tokens is that they can be traded on secondary markets. This provides users with the ability to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets, opening up a new frontier of opportunities. One of Pendle's key strengths lies in its capability to create customizable yield structures. These are tailored to meet the specific needs of users, providing an additional layer of flexibility and customization. This feature allows users to optimize their yield strategies based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. In addition to all these features, Pendle also introduces a unique staking mechanism. Users can stake their Pendle tokens, thereby earning rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. Pendle currently has a market cap of $550 million. We believe that a market cap of $40 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is roughly a 73x from here. Project number 2 is another DeFi project, called Drift Protocol. Drift is a decentralized exchange designed for perpetual swaps trading, running on the Solana blockchain. Perpetual swaps are a type of derivative that allows traders to bet on the future price of an asset without actually owning it. Drift Protocol uses a virtual automated market maker model, which differs from traditional AMMs, by using a virtualized liquidity pool to manage trades. This approach reduces slippage and improves capital efficiency, making it more effective for high-frequency trading. Drift aims to offer an advanced, user-friendly platform for traders looking to leverage DeFi tools. The protocol features cross-margin trading, allowing users to manage multiple positions with a single margin account. Additionally, Drift integrates with Serum, a decentralized order book on Solana, to provide deeper liquidity and a better trading experience. To enhance user experience and minimize costs, Drift benefits from Solana's high-speed, low-cost blockchain. The platform is designed to be highly efficient, offering low latency and negligible transaction fees compared to other blockchains like Ethereum. Drift also incorporates a robust risk management framework to protect traders and the platform. The system includes mechanisms like dynamic funding rates, which adjust based on market conditions to balance long and short positions. A key aspect of Drift is its focus on decentralization and community governance. The platform is governed by the Drift DAO, where token holders can vote on key decisions, such as changes to protocol parameters or the addition of new features. Drift Protocol's utility token, Drift, plays a central role in the platform's ecosystem. It is used for governance, staking, and as collateral for trading. Stakers earn a share of the platform's fees, creating an incentive for users to hold and stake their tokens. This design aligns the interests of the community with the long-term success of the platform. Overall, Drift Protocol is a comprehensive decentralized trading platform that combines advanced financial tools with the benefits of DeFi. Drift has a market cap of $200 million. We think that a market cap of $30 billion is possible in 2025 for the leading DeFi project on Solana. That is a nice 150x from here. As our first AI project, we would like to highlight Netmind AI. In the exciting intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, the Netmind token, NMT, is a transformative force, revolutionizing how enthusiasts access key computational power. The combination of AI and cryptocurrency has introduced a new wave of possibilities. NMT is more than just a digital currency. It serves as a bridge to a world where computational power can be effortlessly accessed through blockchain technology. NMT's tokenomics is strategically designed. With 10 billion tokens securely stored in a smart contract, NMT uses a careful distribution plan, ensuring a controlled release that maintains token value and supports the sustainable growth of the netmined ecosystem. NMT's utility lies in its function as the native currency for transactions within the netmined chain ecosystem. Users can explore a range of AI services, using NMT to overcome traditional financial limitations. The token becomes a portal to a multitude of AI advancements, fostering a setting where innovation has no limits. NMT doesn't just have transactional utility. It also rewards users who provide their idle GPU resources to the network. This interactive engagement model converts users into active contributors, fostering a thriving community that benefits from shared progress. Netmined token democratizes access to AI resources. As users trade and stake NMT, the token ensures that advanced AI technologies are not just available to a select few, but to a wider audience. Built on the foundation of blockchain, NMT prioritizes security and transparency. Smart contracts create a complex network of tamper-resistant and verifiable transaction records, giving users confidence in the legitimacy and fairness of the netmined network. Netmined token is the lifeblood of the netmined chain ecosystem, transforming it into a dynamic hub of innovation. In conclusion, NMT is not just another addition to the growing list of cryptocurrencies. It provides access to unparalleled computing power that was previously unattainable for many. By ingeniously linking the fields of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, NMT carves out its unique niche. NMT currently has a market cap of 100 million. We think that NMT will reach a market cap of at least 10 billion in the future. That is a 100x from here. Project number 4 is called Virtual's Protocol. Virtual Protocol aligns incentives for the creation and monetization of AI personas for every virtual interaction. The Virtual Protocol is a decentralized factory that creates AI characters for various virtual worlds, such as games or online spaces. Its focus is on developing and selling these AI personas in a mutually beneficial way. It's like creating digital characters capable of anything, from mimicking a movie character to assisting in writing a horror story, or even representing a digital version of yourself. To achieve this, the protocol incentivizes people to contribute their skills and ideas. Contributors who add data and develop AI models are compensated for their efforts, attracting top talent. Those who ensure the seamless functioning of everything are also rewarded, maintaining high quality and fostering trust in their creations. For developers who incorporate these AIs into their apps, it's straightforward to integrate into their system, facilitating the creation of unique, immersive experiences without extensive technical difficulties. This approach allows faster and more cost-effective product deployment. For rights holders of specific characters or stories, this presents a new revenue stream and a means to maintain their content's popularity. Each contribution, whether it's data or a model, is created as an NFT and proposed on-chain. Validators then compare these submissions to the current version. If a new submission is considered an improvement, it is assimilated as the latest state of the respective module. Being in the current state allows contributors to earn token rewards virtually. Contributors retain ownership of their submissions, sharing in the value created by their contributions. This system ensures that those who enhance the protocol are compensated for their work. Virtual Protocol currently has a market cap of 800 million. We believe that a market cap of 40 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a solid 50x from here. Our next 2 projects focus on real-world assets. Let's start with Centrifuge. The main goal of Centrifuge is to connect DeFi with real-world assets. By doing so, it plans to lower the cost of capital, which could significantly benefit small and mid-sized enterprises. This would also provide investors with a more stable income source. The project also seeks to remove the volatility from profits made through cryptocurrencies. Since it can't eliminate volatility or stabilize crypto prices, it aims to enable users to generate profits not tied to crypto assets. Essentially, its developers aim to transfer real monetary value from the fiat industry to the cryptocurrency sector. Centrifuge grants access to DeFi's liquidity without relying on volatile cryptocurrencies. This can be especially beneficial for companies that want to use crypto but don't want to expose their funds to the risk of devaluation. Centrifuge provides liquidity to everyone, allowing assets like real estate, invoices, royalties, and more to be linked with decentralized finance. It can also be used by borrowers who wish to finance their real assets without relying on banks and other financial institutions. DeFi procedures are mostly automated thanks to smart contracts, making them more affordable and transparent, without hidden fees. They also offer users the ability to profit through staking their assets. Staking requires no effort or knowledge from stakers, just locking up their coins and not withdrawing them. In return, they receive regular rewards for supporting the project. The protocol tokenizes real-world assets by converting them into NFTs, which are then granted entry to the blockchain world. The NFTs are funded via Tinlake, Centrifuge's first dApp, which was designed to access liquidity on Ethereum. These tokenized real-world assets could be stakes in business ventures, loans, or physical assets. Once tokenized, Tinlake assets can be freely transferred and used across the extensive DeFi product and service ecosystem. Tinlake also empowers stablecoin issuers to provide stable value stores backed by collateralized asset pools. As investors possess different risk-reward profiles, the Centrifuge Tinlake dApp is designed to offer a way for users to invest in the same asset through different investment classes. Centrifuge currently has a market cap of 100 million. We believe that Centrifuge has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 10 billion in the future. That is a 100x from here. Project number 6 is called Clearpool. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace worldwide, originating hundreds of millions of loans through its DeFi protocols. It operates on various networks, giving investors the freedom to choose the loan requests they wish to fund. Clearpool serves as a bridge between institutional borrowers and lenders. These lenders contribute their digital assets to individual borrower pools. They have full control over the borrower they lend to and their risk exposure, which they can assess by reviewing borrower profiles. Lenders can earn higher interest rates and returns by providing unsecured institutional liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate with Clearpool as a borrower or lender, users must own C-Pool tokens. Borrowers set up their borrower pool, and financial institutions determine the interest rates for each borrower pool through the Clearpool Oracle network. Lenders can then stake their C-Pool tokens to a specific pool, earning interest on their staked tokens. Clearpool initiates blockchain technology crypto lending by creating single borrower pools. Risks are evaluated based on borrowers' profiles and the credit market, enabling potential lenders to assess the total value potential for their investments. Clearpool launched in early 2022 with 3 liquidity pools from FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang. In 2024, Clearpool has introduced term pools, credit vaults, a new chain, fintech borrowers, and a new user interface. Looking ahead, its decentralized credit marketplace will further evolve, featuring multi-chain growth, detailed credit report availability, the second version of Clearpool Prime, a new staking model, exchange-traded pools, and other enhancements. Clearpool has a market cap of 200 million right now. A market cap of at least 30 billion is doable in the future, and is a nice 150x from here. Up next are 2 AI projects with bigger market caps. Let's start with Injective. DeFi has quickly become one of the most popular uses for blockchain technology, replicating traditional financial services through smart contracts. Injective provides tools to build decentralized applications, dApps, focusing on these financial functionalities. It aims to create a comprehensive DeFi infrastructure that is interconnected and can access deep liquidity. Built using the Cosmos Software Development Kit, SDK, Injective benefits from fast transactions and the interoperability of Cosmos's inter-blockchain communication protocol. Injective's native token, INJ, is used for staking to validate transactions and for community voting to govern the protocol. Injective has received backing from major crypto investors, including Binance, and additional funding from venture capital groups like Pantera and Jump Crypto. The protocol has also partnered across the crypto space to support its development, including funding a 150 million ecosystem fund. Injective's primary role is to provide software modules for developers to build DeFi solutions. Because Injective's tools set a standard in its ecosystem, any DeFi protocols created with them are interoperable, allowing them to interact and share liquidity. Injective also addresses the front-running problem that has plagued DEXs. Front-running occurs when high-frequency traders, typically bots, detect trades submitted by individual traders and jump the line to execute more advantageous trades. Injective uses frequent batch auctions to solve this issue. In addition to liquidity aggregation, Injective maximizes interoperability using the existing Cosmos infrastructure. Cosmos introduced the IBC protocol in 2021, allowing various chains and dApps using the IBC standard to transact with each other. Through IBC, tokens and other data can seamlessly traverse Cosmos's ecosystem. Injective has also prioritized communication with chains outside of Cosmos through bridges, supporting digital asset transfers between individual chains. Injective currently has a market cap of $1.5 billion. We predict that Injective will have a market cap of at least $50 billion in a bull run. That is a 33x from here. Our next AI project is called Render. From animated movies and online gaming to the crypto metaverse, most forms of digital entertainment heavily depend on motion graphics and three-dimensional visual effects. Industrial applications of 3D graphics range from product prototyping and simulation to scientific and architectural visualization. As the demand for immersive digital worlds grows, so does the need for complex computations. The Render token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. By leveraging blockchain, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access powerful computers for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network to create or rent out computational resources, accelerating the rendering process. Render serves as a bridge between creatives and Render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, promoting faster, easier, and more secure rendering. Render also enables crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an accessible ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas. Render tokens' GPU-powered renders are applicable not only to film production but also to video game design, VR experiences, and more, enabling the media sector to produce high-quality visuals quickly. Apart from encouraging people to join the network, Render tokens can be used to purchase computing resources. The Render network is a self-sustaining, mutually beneficial ecosystem. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional ones with Render tokens, users are rewarded, incentivizing them to retain their tokens as their value increases with demand. The token reward system implemented within the Render network promotes a healthy, thriving ecosystem. This incentivization approach not only encourages existing users to invest further in the growth and success of the network, but it also attracts new users by creating a dynamic and rewarding environment. This enhanced level of security, trust, and transparency is not just a benefit, but a necessity for the Render network's continued growth and prosperity. As the network expands and evolves, these elements will remain central to its operation, ensuring the Render network remains a reliable and attractive platform for users. This, ultimately, maintains the network's competitive edge and ensures its longevity in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Render currently has a market cap of $2 billion. Render is one of the most complete projects in the AI space, and we think that a market cap of $80 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a solid 40x from here. The ninth project is Aerodrome, BaseChain's leading DeFi platform. Aerodrome is a next-generation automated market maker designed to serve as the primary source of liquidity for Base. It's built on the robust Velodrome V2 tech stack and introduces a range of innovative features, including concentrated liquidity, automated voting, and a unique NFT marketplace. Aerodrome employs two tokens, Aero for utility and Aero for governance. The latter, an NFT, allows users who lock their Aero tokens to become Aero voters. This gives them a voice in the distribution of token emissions and the opportunity to earn rewards. Liquidity providers are incentivized to contribute liquidity to the system in exchange for Aero tokens. Traders enjoy low slippage and minimal fees, and other protocols can rapidly build liquidity by locking Aero and providing incentives. What sets Aerodrome apart? Firstly, its vote-lock governance model, which grants Aero voters significant sway over the protocol's monetary policy. Secondly, a dynamic emission schedule for Aero tokens that balances rapid growth with sustainability. Lastly, it reserves a quarter of its initial vote power for public goods, funding crucial ecosystem assets. In collaboration with the Base team, Aerodrome is developing a unique public goods engine. This engine, a core part of Aero, ensures liquidity for vital assets. The fees generated from these pairs are directed to the public goods funding and voting. As a result, the Aero token becomes central to the ecosystem. Protocols that plan to integrate with Base will find Aerodrome a vital ally. The flywheel effect in Aerodrome is a compelling force behind its success. The Aero token and Aerodrome's fundamentals create a self-reinforcing growth cycle. When the price of Aero rises, liquidity providers make more money, incentivizing them to add more liquidity. Increased liquidity boosts trading volume, which raises protocol revenue. More people lock their Aero tokens to generate income, encouraging even more protocols to participate. This virtuous cycle continually enhances the value of Aero and the protocol itself. In terms of impact, Aerodrome is set to shake up the DeFi sector. Aero is more capital efficient, community-driven, and flexible than traditional AMMs. And because it's the liquidity layer for Base, which is the fastest growing Layer 2 network this year, Aero can become a big deal in the future. Aero currently has a market cap of 600 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of at least 40 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a 67x from here. For our final project, we highlight ONDO, currently the largest RWA project in the space. Stablecoins have become indispensable for several reasons. Primarily, they bridge the traditional financial world with the digital asset space, offering a stable medium of exchange in a traditionally very volatile market. In this evolving landscape, ONDO Finance is carving out its niche by revolutionizing real-world assets through its innovative product offerings. ONDO's approach centers around tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial world, thereby merging the best of both worlds: the reliability and familiarity of traditional finance with the efficiency and accessibility of blockchain technology. The structure of ONDO Finance is split into two primary arms: the asset management arm and the technology arm. The asset management arm is responsible for creating and overseeing tokenized financial products. These products are intricately designed to embody the characteristics of traditional financial instruments, while leveraging the benefits of blockchain technology. On the other hand, the technology arm of ONDO is focused on developing decentralized finance protocols, which are integral to the functioning and scalability of ONDO's financial offerings. A distinctive aspect of ONDO's approach lies in its protocol development. The protocols, once established, are designed to operate independently of ONDO. This independence is reflected in their governance and web interfaces, which are managed by separate entities, not controlled by ONDO. This separation underscores ONDO's commitment to creating decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. ONDO addresses these concerns by collaborating with established, reputable partners in various operational aspects. For instance, the OUSG Fund, managed in partnership with BlackRock and involving entities like Citi, JP Morgan, and State Street, exemplifies ONDO's commitment to quality and security. Additionally, the use of Coinbase for crypto asset custody further reinforces this commitment. ONDO currently has a market cap of 4 billion. We believe that ONDO has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 60 billion in 2025. That is a 15x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.